Hi, I'm Dr. Sherbaz, anesthetist and CEO for Aster Hospitals and Clinics in UAE. Aster is an organization which is born in UAE as a single-man clinic by our beloved chairman, Dr. Azad Mupin, who's a clinical practitioner by himself. From there, it is expanded into a polyclinic, and from polyclinic into hospital. Now we have chain of hospitals and clinics looking at primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary care in this region. As a healthcare company, we make patient in center of all that what we do. Profit is a byproduct in this business, if I may call so. One of our vision is a caring vision, global vision with an accessible, affordable and quality healthcare. Now, to make it accessible, we have made sure that we have divided our brand into three segments. Mid-care brand, which looks at the premium insurances, and then a mid brand, that is Aster, and an access brand. The access brand is for lower end insurances. Now, all this access brands, we have a lot of work related injuries, especially in Jafza and areas. So we have a lot of focus on that area. It was set up 5 years back, and initially it was just a clinic. So from the clinic we found that there are a lot of surgical cases which is coming in, especially work related injuries. So this patients has to travel all the way from Jafza to the mainland, especially when cardiac cases comes in that region. It's a long way for patients to go from there to the mainland. And in any cardiac cases, time is a cardiac cell. If we delay in stroke and cardiac diseases, if there is a delay, it will affect the heart, it will affect the brain. So now we have come up with a new hospital there called Aster Hospital, which is in Jebel Ali, and we are planning to expand that further. And as of now I speak, the hospital is running in full-fledged with operation theatres and OPD. Identifying this need in the society, we are planning to have a cath lab and a full-fledged neuro unit in Cedars in the coming future. The Jafza region is a great focus for us, with Expo coming in that region and the corridor of Dubai being a big corridor for all the multinational companies to come in. We are hopeful that our presence in Jafza will definitely contribute for both Jafza and for the healthcare of Dubai. Our main aim is to digitalize the entire healthcare. As you know, UAE is one of the countries where it is much in advance in case of digitalization. So we would like to run along with UAE in digitalization of the healthcare. So as I was mentioning, there's a lot of emphasis on automation, artificial intelligence coming into the healthcare industry. So what we are looking at on an operational perspective is a lot of robotic process automation, and then a lot of AI we are planning to bring into the healthcare. This will help us to have a personalized medicine practice and also helps us in research and development. And there is a lot of emphasis on genomics, which is going to come into play in next few years ahead. So digitalization is the thing which we are looking forward. We are largely banking on medical value travel. As you know, in spite of pandemic, Dubai is one platform where people can come. That means a lot of people who are going from here to Thailand and other places, from Africa, from USA, we are expecting them to come to Dubai for their treatments.